Hello everyone, welcome to our channel AskPrep. In today's series on 11th grade physics, we will be studying chapter 4, Motion in a Plane, in detail. Let's start the video. What is motion in a plane? It is referred to as motion in two dimensions, example, projectile motion, circular motion, etc. For the analysis of such motion, our reference will be made of an origin and two coordinate axes, x and y, scalar and vector quantities. Physical quantities that are completely specified by their magnitude or size alone are called scalar quantities. Examples: length, mass, density, speed, work, etc. Vector quantities are physical quantities characterized by both magnitude and direction. Examples: velocity, displacement, acceleration, force, momentum, torque, etc. Displacement vector. A displacement vector is a vector that gives the position of a point with reference to a point other than the origin of the coordinate system. What is projectile motion? Projectile is an object that is given an initial inclined velocity and subsequently follows a path determined by the gravitational force acting on it and the frictional resistance of the air. The path followed by a projectile is called its trajectory. Equation of projectile motion. The general case of projectile motion corresponds to an object that has been given an initial velocity, u, at some angle, theta, above or below the horizontal. The horizontal and vertical displacements, x and y, are given by appropriate equations. Properties of scalar product. Go with the image. Next is characteristics of vectors. The following are the characteristics of vectors. 1. They possess both magnitude and direction. 2. They do not obey the ordinary laws of algebra. 3. They change if either the magnitude, direction, or both changes. 4. They are represented by bold-faced letters or letters with an arrow over them. Unit vector. A unit vector is a vector of unit magnitude that points in a particular direction. It is used to specify direction only. A unit vector is represented by putting a cap over the quantity. Equal vectors. This vector have the same length and the direction and represent the same quantities. See the image. Properties of vector addition. Go with the image. Next is position vector. Look the image. What is angular displacement? Angular displacement of an object moving around a circular path is defined as the angle traced out by the radius vector at the center of the circular path in a given time. Theta, angle, is equal to arc radius. Theta represents the magnitude of angular displacement. It is expressed in radians, rad. Angular velocity. Angular velocity of an object in circular motion is defined as the time rate of change of its angular displacement. Next is uniform circular motion. When a body moves in a circular path with constant speed, the motion of the body is known as uniform circular motion. The time taken by the object to complete one revolution on its circular path is called the time period. For circular motion, the number of revolutions completed per unit time is known as the frequency, v. The unit of frequency is hertz. Thank you for watching. We will be dropping notes in the description of this video. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. All the best for your exams.